The problem in Afghanistan is a people-centred problem, and particularly displaced people.
There are about 2.5 million internally displaced people, also known as IDPs. Following the drought in 2018, there was an extra 371,000 people that were forced to flee their homes into IDP camps.
Alcis is a geographic information services company, and we focus on fragile and conflict-affected states. So what that means is we collect data, we analyse it, and we put it in the hands of decision makers so that they can have the best impact on those hardest hit people in those dangerous places.
The Norwegian Refugee Council reached out to us at Alcis to see how we could monitor the impact of the drought.
Satellite imagery was able to give us real insights into where the impacts of that drought have been worst.
The number of tents is an indicator for the number of people. So we then turned to Esri's tools to count these tents so they can effectively deliver the right amount of aid to the right people at the right time.
The Esri technology that we've started using has allowed us to process satellite data much faster. Machine learning, AI, these tools are now out of the box. Previously we had a very highly qualified individual using bespoke software. All of our team can now get on the software and are doing high-level machine learning without necessarily having to have gone through that whole education and training process that previously would be required.
The real benefit is once we have an algorithm, which we have the training data for, that we can apply it to other indicators as well.
We can apply it to tents, we can apply it to trucks, we can apply it to anything that needs counting in an image.
The way we delivered our data and our results to the NRC was through story maps, so they can interact with the data, and we also were able to outline the different steps of our method as well, so they had confidence in the results. It means that the Norwegian Refugee Council who are on the ground can deliver their aid more efficiently, more effectively to a wider number of people, covering a greater area, because they know exactly where they are.
We were able to task a satellite, get the data in, and get a product within 12 hours. And that was all done in the Esri platform. To have that power in the hands of an operator at a desk in Guildford, to be looking at a problem on the Afghan-Pakistani border and be able to put some numbers in front of a policymaker, a decision maker, that's really impressive. It means we can take on much more work, we can deliver products faster for our clients, we can deliver a whole range of new products, and they can then use it to make that meaningful impact for these vulnerable people.